Hello everyone, welcome back to the ERP Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn internal transfer, also known as Contra Voucher in Odoo 19, using a real-time scenario. In this video, you will learn internal transfer with a practical example, step-by-step process in Odoo 19. So let me just take two real business scenarios. So the first scenario, imagine that you have a one bank account and one cash account. Now you withdraw $1,000 from your bank to keep cash in hand for daily expenses like petty cash, office expenses, etc. So basically you are transferring money from bank to cash. This is called a contra entry because money is moving within your company, no customer suppliers involved. So bank balance decreases, cash balance increases. So for this, let me just click on the accounting module. So now we can see the balance of the bank account or the bank generates $1,495. So now suppose we withdraw $1,000 from your bank account, automatically a bank statement will be created if the bank account is connected with this bank journal. So in this case no bank account is connected with the bank journal, so you need to manually create the statement or you need to import the bank statement. So just click on transactions and then click on new statement like bank to cash. I will add the description as bank to cash, and I need not set the partner, I need to just set the amount with minus sign because the amount is withdrawn from this bank account. So I will just write 1000 and I will just click on add and close. Once this is done, I can just click on this internal transfers. So we can see this is reconciled. Now I can just go back into the dashboard. We can see the balance has now changed to $495 from $1,495. Now I need to create one more statement for the cash journal. So I will just click new journal and click on here. I will just add bank to cash, or we can write bank to cash, indicating that transfer from bank to cash account. I will just add here positive amount and I will just click on add and close, and I will click on these three dots. We can see the internet transfers and this gets reconciled with liquidity transfer account. Now we can see the balance of the cash journal shows 1000. Now let us imagine a second scenario where the amount from the cash journal is removed. Imagining that $1,000 from the cash journal is removed and deposited back to the bank account. In that case, you just need to create on the one more statement for the cash journals. So here I can create new cash to bank, and you can add from some purpose if you want, like why the amount was transferred. In short, if you want, you can add it here. So here I will just add the amount minus 1000 and click on add and close, and I will just click on these three dots and click on internet transfers. So now if I just go back to dashboard, we can see the cash balance reduces to 0. Now I need to create one more statement in the bank journal. So if I click on new, so 1 April, and I will just add here cash to bank, or we can just add deposit to bank, and click here add 1000 and click on add and close. Once this is done, just click on three dots and internet transfers. So we can see in the dashboard, if I just go here, we can see the balance has been changed from $495 to $1,495. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, comment your doubts and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.